Here we go. Two wheels. Yeah, two-wheel S4 pause. This is going to be a traction loss low side. Failure to negotiate a curve. We're going to low side it. Now, what is a big common cause of low sides? Write it in the comments right now. What is a big common cause of low sides? Let's go ahead and watch. Oh. Ooh. Lots of issues. Lots of issues. But what did you guys hear right before the crash? Let's listen to it again. What did you hear? It's his pegs scraping. That is all. He's leaning deep. He's leaning deep. So one of the big problems we see with a lot of motorcycle riders, especially when they're new, is that, oh crap, I'm going too fast. Instead of like really committing and getting your body into the corner, they tend to push the bike into the corner, hoping that's going to cause it to where you're going to turn. But if you just keep doing it while not adjusting your speed and you're just actually speeding up, it's just going to lose traction. So a little bit too much lean angle, a little bit too much speed. What should we be doing? We should be doing slow look, press, and roll. But, you know, hopefully this person is doing well. Hopefully S4, what is it? Two-wheel S4 pause is doing well. This is an R3, 2022 R3. Ay. So leaning the bike is super far down. No buenos. No buenos. So we got Maruski Rider. So this is going to be an open lane situation. What do we see here already? Open lane situation. There it is. Hey, you saw the indicator. You saw the indicator. I don't know what this is all saying. That's a police officer, but you saw the indicator, right? Why did we go in there? Why did we haul booty in there? We just put ourselves in a dangerous position. Part of planning is positioning yourself for safety. He put himself in a position that was not safe. That was not smart, Maruski. Not smart. Just let the driver in. Come on, man. Ooh, what do we see already here? This is Two Wheels S4 Fun. How hard is it to see the side of the vehicle coming around a corner? Look at that, coming around the corner. So what is really the problem here? We got a blind turn. We have a line of sight issue. Okay, since we have a line of sight issue, what stage should we be in? Yeah, I'll just tell you what it is. We should be in orange stage. We should be prepped and ready. Okay, we should be covering the brakes, finding ourselves good escape routes. We should be in a good position for safety. Maybe even slowing it down, maybe like 2-3 miles an hour slower than that. I see it right there, orange stage. Love it, guys. So we have a line of sight issue, can't see, don't know what's around the corner. So if we speed up and go faster and faster and faster, we have less time to react. So if we slow down, we do less speed, we have more time to react. So that's what I want to see. Now, you see how the nose dove down? He saw it. He's starting to apply the brakes. Very good. He recognized the side of the vehicle. Two Wheels S4 Fun. You're probably been watching this channel. Great job being a smart rider. Seeks and maintains right already. I don't know if he's wearing gear. Hopefully doesn't have to be rescued. But what happens? Doesn't have to be rescued. Very good. Two Wheels S4 Fun. Definitely a smart rider. Probably takes the MTC Rider Academy, which is only $4.99.